The action cylinder can be found under SASSE Library Effects, Background. You can drag and drop it into your scene, and it gives you this effect. The settings are in the Modifiers tab on the Geometry Nodes panel. If you hit play, it is automatically, with the speed factor turned up, it is automatically animated. You can also control the outer color, the inner color, the scale of the gradients. So actually that's maybe a bit tough to see if I don't. There. The scale of the gradient. The color of these lines. And the scale of them. So if you want many small lines or fewer large lines, the strength of the emission, and transparency. So you can animate this from transparent into your scene and back out again. And let's get a little speed going so we can have an idea of what that might look like. You might be like right in on top of it. You can also adjust where the end point is. So depending on the effect that you're going for, whether it's moving, you know, towards, let's get this going slower, towards or away from, and you can just move this around however you need.